Welcome to this video where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install, set up and configure your app, Wrike Actions Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and then click on it. Click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you are done with your installation, reload the page, then search for the custom page of the app itself, click on it, and then this interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey with the app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials and set up your app. We have the setup feature. Here we're going to walk you through on how to connect your app. Copy the redirect URL, head to the account which we've created online, click on your profile, and then click on Apps and Integration. Then you click on the API and click on Create New App. You give a sample name, and then you can give a short description right in here. Then paste the redirect URL which we copied here. Scroll down and click on Save. Click on the app that we just created, copy the client ID, head to your account, click on Start Setup and you paste. Click on the client secret, insert your password that you used to create this account with it. Then you click on Show Secret Key, copy your secret key, head back to your account and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. Once you click on the complete setup icon, you're going to see this page. Click on Accept and your app will be successfully configured and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for the support team, and as well the Changelog feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert the email and you click on the subscribe button. You've learned how to install, set up and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.